Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing the best Tumble Rugs Washable, the Lay's 8x10 area rug. If you're looking for an elegant yet practical addition to your home, this non-shedding, stain-resistant, and machine-washable rug is the perfect choice for any room. Whether it's your living room, bedroom, or office space, let's dive into the features that make this rug a top pick. First off, the Lay's 8x10 area rug features a stunning boho vintage design in a soothing blue color, bringing timeless style and personality to your home. Whether you're decorating a dining room, living room, or playroom, this rug adds a touch of sophistication and charm. The soft faux cashmere material offers both comfort and durability, making it a versatile addition to high-traffic areas. One of the standout features of this rug is its non-slip, upgraded TPR backing, ensuring a secure footing. Whether you have children, pets, or elderly family members, the rug provides enhanced safety by preventing it from slipping around. Additionally, the backing has its own grip, so there's no need for a rug pad, making maintenance and setup hassle-free. The convenience of this rug doesn't stop there. It's completely machine washable and dryer safe, so you can easily keep it fresh and clean without the need for costly professional cleaning. Simply toss it in the washer, and it's as good as new. Plus, its water-repellent surface helps resist stains, making it ideal for families with children or pets. Another benefit of the Lay's rug is its low-pile design. This ensures minimal shedding, which means less dirt will get embedded into the fibers. The short nap provides a plush and cozy surface while fitting easily beneath furniture and doors, making it a practical choice for any space. Crafted with durability in mind, the rug is designed to withstand everyday wear and tear from both kids and pets. Its sturdy construction ensures that it will last for years, maintaining its beauty and comfort. Whether it's for a busy hallway or a cozy bedroom, this rug offers both style and practicality. So, if you're looking for a stylish and functional rug that's easy to maintain, the Lay's 8x10 area rug is the perfect choice. Its vintage boho design, non-slip backing, and machine-washable feature make it a standout product that suits any home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews.